So friend, if you want me to go deep inside this plan, I can show you some of the things that we need here. If you can see this square, we have two benches here. One is this one and one is this one. Also, if you can come here, so this is the drainage or stormwater pit. We have one here and the other is just here and the other is here. And also this one is a tree, and this one is another tree, and there is another tree here. We have some existing tree also. So around this we will start working. Hello friends, so this is the plan of the landscaping. So we will go according to this plan, and we will have some concrete area. As you see, these are the concrete areas. These are the concrete areas. And this one here, if you see, these all of the concrete areas. In the other areas, these which look like yellow, these are all around here. If you can see, these are different garden beds. So I will show you step by step how we can just implement this plan. Hello friends, so today we are starting another project. So if you can see here, in this area we have a place for plants, and also according to the plants or landscaping plants, you can see here we have the concrete to be built around this area. If you see this area to the end, we have the plants, the garden. So around the garden we have the concrete here, so like a footpath. You can see in this area also, if you can see, we have the garden, and also this concrete is that I'm working on. It's going like this shape, and again here we have in this area we have the garden. So as you can see, in the middle we have all the concrete, the pits. So also in this area, if you can see, we have the garden. So we will just grow some different kinds of plants. We will bring some of them here, so the remaining we will bring. And during this construction of this project, I will start taking video from each part. So if you want to learn how to make this area a beautiful area, so watch these videos after each other. Thanks. Hello friends, so as you see, the area we have just tried to level some of the areas that need to be leveling. So we did the same here in this area, and after leveling this area, we are going to just put the soil tofu on the top of this one. As you see, I have put some of the well flowers here, so after some time we will just spread it and keep watching the video until the end. Thank you. Hello friends, So today, as you see, we have just level all the soil that we bring for the plants here around this concrete area. You can see it almost like this. We have just make it level all around. So here also you can come to this spot. You can see this area also, which is already been leveled. So after this we will start concreting this area. So in the next video I will show you how we do start concreting all of this area which needs to be concreted in the middle. Thanks for watching. Hello friends, so after leveling the area and prepare the area for the concrete, we have just compacted all the sand, crushed stone in all this area that you see. So after we compacted with the water, so you see we put the meshes also on the top of the concrete. So after finishing this and after finishing our boxing, we will just start in concreting the area. That information I will give you in the next video. So as you can see here how we did the boxing. So in the next video I will show you how we put the concrete in all this area, and I will give you another video to make you understand how to make your area concrete. And one thing more, I don't want to forget that we have used the laser also to keep this area level. Thanks for watching. Hello. So you can see now that we have done the concrete in this area that we have leveled last time, as I show you in the other video. So we have just finished the concrete in this area, and as you see the lines, so these lines are for cutting the concrete so it will not break. So after cutting this, we should give water to the concrete every day until 28 days, so the concrete can go to its strength. After that we can so it was just for your information how we did the concrete, and I will put another video after this to see how we do the planting and how we do the lighting system. Thank you for watching.